Welcome back to the A Justice YouTube channel. Today we will provide some important multiple choice questions and answers with regard to the Chapter 1 of IPR. This is MCQ Part 1 of Chapter 1. Let's start the questions. 1. India acceded to the Paris Convention 1883 on A. 7 December 1999. B. 7 December 1998. C. 7 December 1997. D. 7 December 1996. The answer is option B. 2. Intellectual property right is A. Natural right. B. Property right. C. Exclusive right. D. All the above. The answer is option D. 3. Trade-related aspects of Intellectual Property Rights Agreement 1994 excludes A. Article 7 of the Berne Convention 1883. B. Article 8 of the Berne Convention 1883. C. Article 9 of the Berne Convention 1883. D. Article 6 bis of the Berne Convention 1883. The answer is option D. Explanation. Article 6 bis of the Berne Convention deals with moral rights in a copyrighted work. Trade-related aspects of Intellectual Property Rights Agreement in particular stipulates in Article 9 that members shall comply with Articles 1 through 21 of the Berne Convention 1971 and the appendix thereto. However, members shall not have rights or obligations under this agreement in respect of the rights conferred under Article 6 bis of that convention or of the rights derived therefrom. 4. Berne Convention 1886 is administered by A. World Trade Organization. B. World Intellectual Property Organization. C. World Health Organization. D. United Nations. The answer is option B. Explanation. The first international convention harmonizing the law on protection of copyright came in 1886. It was called as the Berne Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Work. 5. Intellectual property means A. Creation of mind. B. Incorporeal property. C. Tangible property. D. Both A and B. The answer is option D. 6. WPPT is an acronym for A. WIPO Performance and Phonogram Treaty. B. WIPO Phonogram and Performance Treaty. C. World Performance and Phonogram Treaty. D. World Phonogram and Performance Treaty. The answer is option A. 7. Intellectual Property Appellate Board formed under Section 83, Trademarks Act 1999 is the appellate board under A. The Trademarks Act 1999. B. The Patents Act 1970. C. The Designs Act 2000. D. Both A and B. The answer is option D. 8. Intellectual property right can be transacted by means of A. Sale. B. Assignment. C. License. D. All the above. The answer is option D. 9. Strasbourg Convention 1971 deals with A. European Patent Classification. B. Indian Patent Classification. C. International Patent Classification. D. WIPO Patent Classification. The answer is option C. Explanation. In 1971, World Intellectual Property Organization concluded the Strasbourg Agreement on International Patent Classification, which divides technology into 8 sections with approximately 70,000 subdivisions. 10. Hague Treaty deals with A. International Registration of Patent. B. International Registration of Copyright. C. International Registration of Design. D. International Registration of Trademark. The answer is option C. Explanation. The Hague Agreement concerning the international registration of industrial designs first came into existence in 1934. Hague Agreement provides for a system of protection of industrial design in all member countries through the use of an international registration. 11. Rome Convention deals with A. Related rights. B. Neighboring rights. C. Protection of copyright in literary and artistic work. D. Both A and B. The answer is option D. Explanation. The Rome Convention was drawn for the harmonization of law with respect to rights of performers, broadcasting organizations, and producers of phonograms. 12. Budapest Treaty 1977 deals with A. International recognition of the deposit of microorganism for the purpose of design procedure. B. International recognition of the deposit of microorganism for the purpose of trademark procedure. C. International recognition of the deposit of microorganism for the purpose of copyright procedure. D. International recognition of the deposit of microorganism for the purpose of patent procedure. The answer is option D. Explanation. Budapest Treaty is an international convention governing the recognition of deposits in officially approved culture collections, for the purpose of patent applications in any country that is a party to 17 it. The treaty was signed in Budapest in 1977 and later on amended in 1980. 13. Budapest Treaty, 1977 is administered by A. World Trade Organization. B. World Intellectual Property Organization. C. World Health Organization. D. United Nations. The answer is option B. 14. Madrid Agreement relates to A. International Registration of Design. B. International Registration of Trademark. C. International Registration of Copyright. D. International Registration of Patent. The answer is option B. Explanation. The Madrid Agreement, which was adopted on 14 April 1891, came to facilitate protection of a trademark or service mark in several countries by means of a single international registration. 15. Intellectual property right is A. Exclusive right. B. Perpetual right. C. Non-exclusive right. D. None of the above. The answer is option A. Explanation. Intellectual property rights are exclusive rights because they exclude others from exploiting the intellectual property for a certain period of time. 16. Intellectual property right provides A. Return of investment. B. Protect labor of creator. C. Protect utility of creation. D. All the above. The answer is option D. 17. Industrial property includes A. Invention. B. Industrial designs. C. Copyright. D. Both A and B. The answer is option D. Explanation. Intellectual property rights are exclusive rights because they exclude others from exploiting the intellectual property for a certain period of time. 18. Prospect theory of patents is given by A. Edmund Kitch. B. Bentham. C. Hegel. D. Aristotle. The answer is option A. Explanation. Edmund Kitch propounded the prospect theory for patents. According to the theory, patents were viewed as important in providing incentives for investment in increasing the value of patented technology. 19. Collaborative research agreement can be used for A. Technology transfer. B. Technology licensing. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The answer is option C. Explanation. Collaborative research agreements are mainly used for collaboration in research so that resources and risks can be shared together. 20. MTA deals with transfer of A. Tangible material. B. Intangible material. C. Material. D. Patent right. The answer is option A. Explanation. MTA is an acronym for Material Transfer Agreement. It is mainly used in cases where biological material is transferred from the transferor to the transferee. 21. Patent right can be licensed by A. Exclusive license agreement. B. Non-exclusive license agreement. C. Sole license agreement. D. All the above. The answer is option D. 22. Non-disclosure agreement can be used for transfer of technology. A. Yes. B. No. C. Yes in some circumstances. D. None of the above. The answer is option A. 23. IP auditing is done to find A. Potential IP. B. Potential inventor and author. C. To register the IP. D. All the above. The answer is option D. Explanation. Intellectual property auditing helps organization to systematically review the intellectual property owned, used, maintained, transacted, and acquired by the organization so as to assess and manage risk and implement best practices in intellectual property management. 24. Intellectual property right promote A. Resource allocation. B. Resource sale. C. Resource acquisition. D. None of the above. The answer is option A. 25. Following the of multilateral negotiations under the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, the Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights (TRIPS) was arrived at A. Uruguay Round. B. Budapest Round. C. Strasbourg Round. D. Washington Round. The answer is option A. Explanation. Following the Uruguay round of multilateral negotiations under the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade (GATT), the Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights (TRIPS) was arrived at and it came into force on 1 January 1995. The TRIPS agreement is the most comprehensive multilateral agreement to set detailed minimum standards for the protection and enforcement of intellectual property rights, and aims at harmonizing national intellectual property systems. 26. Intellectual property is A. Public good. B. Pure public good. C. Private right. D. Limited period exclusive right. The answer is option D. 27. Intellectual property protects A. Investment. B. Skill, labor, judgment. C. Creativity. D. All the above. The answer is option D. 28. Prospect theory is applicable to A. Intellectual property. B. Public good. C. Both A and B. D. Tangible property. The answer is option C. Here, MCQ part 1 of chapter 1 is over. Thanks for watching our video. Feel free to leave feedback below. Best of luck. Stay home and study well.